This is Sam Crafty Heart, and I am back with another video in my Destash. It is PayPal, friends and family only, and you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com what lots you are interested in. There are going to be probably 7 videos total of Destash. And remember, shipping is included, so the prices reflect the shipping, okay? So the shipping is going to be probably between $13 and like $20 to ship. So there aren't a lot of cheaper options. Unfortunately, shipping is gotten outrageous like everything else in the world. So this is going to be lots 15, 16, and 17. Each one of these lots is $45 shipped. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is number 15. This is a kit. I had bought this kit, and it's a little bent because it was put somewhere. So it makes a couple of frames. So it comes with all of these pieces. So you've got this frame that you can like screw on, and then you've got this other frame back here, or like a shadow box, I guess. So there's just all kinds of things in here. I don't want to mess it up more, but you've got sequins, you've got a bunch of trims and washi, you have some whatever that is. Let's see, got everything in here. So you've also got Hey Pumpkin from Crepe Paper, and the Hey Pumpkin, as long as some solid paper. Also, you can decorate these little like frames that are in here. It comes with the Hey Pumpkin sticker sheet, these little bags, and all of these tags, which then, you know, you can decorate those little frames and the shadow box, and then, you know, whatever. So that is a kit, and I just never did it, so. Alright, then we've got this one, which is authentique. Also includes this paper as well, which I think it's solids. I'm not sure. I guess I could open it up, but I've never opened it up. So you get everything that's included in here. So all the papers and everything. So yeah, some solids that coordinate. So that's included. And then in here is a Graphic 45 8x8 Come On Come All Circus one. That one's there. This is Cheerful by Authentique, never used. Also, I've got the chipboard for the Graphic 45. Okay, put that there. And then I use a little bit of this, but this is solids and gingham basics. And then also we have, this is Graphic 45. It's the something time, December cut parts. Oh, place and time. So it's got all the different months. You can do a little calendar or whatever. So I had bought that, but I never did anything with it. So I'm saying goodbye to it. Okay. And then also in this box, got these bits and pieces. We have some smash pad stuff. I just cleaning stuff out. So there's just all these like different stickers and rub-ons and stickers and stickers and stickers. And I'm just saying goodbye to it all. Ended up being a Halloween themed one. It was totally unintentional too. It was like it worked out on its own that it was that, because I didn't purposely make it that way. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff back. Okay, so now we're going to be on to number 16. Is just laying stuff out. Alright, number 16. So we have these miscellaneous papers, Close to My Heart kit. This is at Echo Park. Never used. Here's this Magic Collection Cleaning Company. I don't think I used this at all. Same with the Say Cheese 2 Simple Stories paper pack. And again, this is $45. This is number 16. And this one, Snap. The Imaginations stickers. This Bow Bunny. We have this one. And we have these brush trees. Alright, so we have typewriter keys, stamp set from Close to My Heart. Just to say, close to my heart, this thank you, close to my heart. This alpha, I love all their alphas, but I had to weed them out. This one, they used to have like a wooden block like this one, but now they have one in clear. This is like an inside outside birthday one. One, which is like a Curly Sentiments, and then this Disney themed one. Alright, now we get into all of this extras that were just everywhere that I'm just trying to clean them out. Clean it out. This is a Tim Holtz. Alright, so that is number 16, $45. Now we're on to number 17. That's the last in this video. Alright, we have this Simple Stories paper pack. We have the Simple Stories Say Cheese, the OG one. We have the Say Cheese Solids. We have Say Cheese 2. And the Wish Upon a Star from Echo Park paper pad. I don't think I used any of those. I believe they're all brand stinking new. And then we have the Atomic Lowercase. We have this one. These are all Close to My Heart. Sending Smiles. There's a Cricut bundle, I guess. Okay. And then this one. I know one of these has this has like double stamps in it, these backgrounds. And then this one has the stamp and die cuts in them. Okay, then we have, we don't need this. One more of this. We have these Tim Holtz bottle trees. Alright. We have these bottle trees. These are the Fancy Pants ones. So I did better on the theme on this one. I included all the, okay, so now we have all of this stuff. This one's that. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Sam Crafty with the Hearts.